In this video, we will introduce you to the top 5 best glueless lace front wigs. Check out our best picks whether you're experiencing early balding, alopecia, hair loss, or if you want a fresher appearance. We made this list based on research, quality, and customer reviews. If you want more information and updated pricing on the products mentioned in this video, be sure to click the links in the description box below. Before we continue, kindly subscribe and click the bell icon so you don't miss out on our new videos. So, here are the top 5 best glueless lace front wigs. Number 1. Pizazz 13x4 HD Transparent Glueless Lace Front Wigs. The Pizazz Deep Wave is made from unprocessed Brazilian virgin human hair, so it may be colored or highlighted without changing the hair's original color. Because it maintains its curl pattern, you may wear it in various ways without worrying about damaging your hair. If necessary, a flat iron can be used to smooth it out. The wig Swiss lace is a versatile medium brown that flatters a wide range of complexion tones. This creates a natural and flawless style by making the hairline nearly invisible. With this lace color, there is no need to bleach the knots. The wig's pre-plucked hairline is another nice touch that makes it look like natural hair. This creates a hairline and overall appearance that is more realistic and in keeping with reality. Unfortunately, this wig is only offered in a medium 22.5-inch cap size. If your head is unusually tiny or big, you may need to have a specially manufactured wig. The pros are, it has a 180% density. Also, it has a pre-plucked natural hairline, it's affordable and portable. The cons are, no potential cons. Number 2. Wingirl 13x4 HD Transparent Lace Front Human Hair Wigs. Wingirl is composed primarily on Brazilian human hair that has not been manipulated. Additionally, it keeps its curls for a longer period of time than other types of hair. Let's look at some of the most important aspects of it. The wig has a parting area that is 134 inches wide and covers your complete forehead. It also makes a full hairline from ear to ear, giving you the appearance of having your own hair. Additionally, it enables you to design it as a side, center, or any other section of the body. This wig's 220% density offers thick, voluminous curls. It frequently allows flaunting multiple styles since there's enough hair to play around with. The pros are, it has a 220% density, no shedding, no tangles, and add a 3x4 HD transparent lace. However, the cons are, it's expensive. Number 3. Hermosa 13x4 Glueless Lace Front Wigs. Hermosa's 9/8 straight wig is made from untreated virgin Brazilian hair and won't dry out, tangle, or develop split ends. Virgin hair, which has never been treated, is among the highest quality hair options. This allows it to be restyled, colored, bleached, curled, or straightened. The silky straight wig comes in a 13x4-inch top Swiss lace with an upgrade double that of a typical lace front wig. The parting gap is lengthy and somewhat wide, allowing you to separate it in any way you like. The elastic material and the detachable adjustable straps make it a user-friendly wig. The pros are, it's versatile, it is also user-friendly, it has a low cost, it's reusable and durable. The cons are, a strong lousy fragrance emits when it is new and unwashed. Number 4. Luduna Transparent Lace Front Wigs Body. Since it's made entirely of natural hair, the Luduna Body Wave Wig may be styled and colored just like your own locks. The wig is constructed from high-quality Swiss lace, specifically a transparent HD Swiss lace, which is considered the best of its kind. Also perfect for novices because very little plucking is required. The 134-inch lace frontal provides more style options and a splitting room. With its adjustable straps and combs, the glueless lace wig is a hassle-free to wear as it is fashionable. However, the cap size is only available in 22.5 and 23.5 inches. The pros are, it is 100% natural, it's a durable option, also it is cheap. It has a 22.5-inch medium breathable cap and adjustable straps. The cons are, no potential cons. Number 5. Vallbest Glueless Lace Front Wigs. The hair of this wig is unprocessed and hence may be treated in any way you like, straightened, curled, bleached, colored, etc. It has natural looking infant hair that has already been plucked. The density of the hair ranges from 130 to 180%. With its 13 by 14 inch front lace, 4 combs, and adjustable straps, this wig may be comfortably worn all day without falling or slipping. It does not shed, become tangled, or break easily. Swiss lace is hyperallergenic, extremely lightweight, and comfortable, even for those with the most delicate skin. You may freely separate it down the center or side because it is supple, resilient, and adaptable. The pros are, there are no frayed ends, it's lightweight, does not get tangled up, in other words, doesn't go shedding, it is odor-free, specifically between 130 and 180% density, and skin-friendly. However, the cons are, unwashed and unworn items have a pungent stench. Buying guide. Types of hair. This may be the primary factor to think about before going wig shopping. Is it made of synthetic materials, human hair, or a combination? And is it treated or unprocessed human hair if it's human hair? Wigs made of synthetic hair are not of the highest quality. Plastic, polymers, or acrylic fibers are used to create the appearance of hair. Typically, the fibers are heated to a specific temperature and then individually strung to mimic fur. Synthetic hair is prone to tangling and wears out quickly. Human and synthetic hair are combined to create blended hair. The degree of mixing varies wildly. The split might be 70-30 or 50-50. It's debatable. If you are on a limited budget, considering blended hair may not be a terrible idea because it is less expensive than a human hair. Virgin hair comes directly from a donor and is the highest quality type of human hair available. Donor's hair is used for this style. If you choose human hair, you should research the quality and variety available. To determine which is best, you may study each in detail, measured in both length and volume. A wig's length and volume are crucial design elements. Concepts are frequently intertwined. You can choose a density of 180 to 200 if you want thick, full hair. The length might be anywhere from 8 inches to 30 inches. What's important is finding out what makes you happy. Keep in mind, however, that the longer and more extensive something is, the more it will cost. Frontal closure. It would help if you also thought about whether or not the wig has a frontal or closure. A frontal may be parted in any direction, allowing for a more versatile styling option and a more natural overall appearance. Is it a full or partial lace frontal, a lace frontal, or a 360 frontal? Things to think about seriously. As long as the hair is smooth and has some hairs plucked out, a closure can also provide a natural appearance. The cap/wig sizes. When shopping for a wig, it's essential to consider your own dimensions. To provide a snug and secure fit, this is essential. Medium is the most common size for wigs. Check the cap size of any wig you're thinking of buying. It would be necessary to place a particular order if your head had a different size than the average. Hair is all about the best glueless lace front wigs. Glueless wigs are a fantastic innovation, and the Pizazz Deep Wave Lace wig is without a doubt our top pick among all available options. The fact that this wig is both affordable and of superior quality is a remarkable discovery. Happy wigging! If you're interested in buying any of the products mentioned in this video based on your needs and budget, kindly click the links in the description box below. We'll also be looking forward to seeing your suggestions and comments. If there is a product you'd like us to review, let us know in the comment section and our research team will be happy to make a review of it. Kindly subscribe, like, and share this video. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in our next video.